Everton's new investment era, US billionaire Christopher Sarofim joins the club. Everton fans have something exciting to cheer about. There's a fresh face in the ownership mix. American billionaire hedge fund manager Christopher Sarofim, 62, has officially become part of Everton's ownership family. This isn't just a small investment. Sarofim, who's also a minority owner of NFL's Houston Texans, is stepping into Everton's orbit through Roundhouse Capital, the club's current owners. While he'll have an observer seat on the board, the day-to-day running of the club stays firmly with the Friedkin Group, TFG, who took over last December from Farhad Moshiri. Sarofim's family firm, Fayez Sarofim & Co., is managing a staggering $31 billion in assets, and Sarofim himself is reported to have a personal wealth north of $3.7 billion. Interestingly, his investment is going into Roundhouse rather than directly issuing new shares for Everton, a move that signals strategic backing rather than a takeover stunt. This move marks the first new investor in Everton's ownership, and more are expected to follow. TFG prefers to bring in investors with specific skills and contacts, sticking to a more reserved, savvy approach rather than chasing celebrity names. You can see this trend elsewhere. Big names like Luka Modric bought a stake in Swansea City recently, NFL star J.J. Watt invested in Burnley, and several Premier League teams like Leeds have attracted well-known celebrities such as Will Ferrell, Russell Crowe, Phelps, and Jordan Spieth. It's a sign of the new era, blending sport with savvy investment. Dan Friedkin, TFG's boss, expressed genuine respect for Sarofim, emphasizing the value of his experience and judgment in helping steer Everton forward amidst recent upheavals. Since taking the reins, TFG has been busy. They sacked manager Sean Dyche in January, who was replaced by David Moyes, bringing a familiar face back, brought in new leadership like Angus Kinnear as CEO, and are reshaping the club's financial landscape. Speaking of money, TFG quickly tackled the club's debt, which had soared past £700 million at its worst. Just last month, they locked in a £350 million refinancing deal, funds that will support the construction of a new 52,888-seat stadium at Bramley-Moore Dock opening this summer. The borrowing comes with much better interest rates, potentially saving Everton up to £50 million annually. And there's more on the horizon. An intriguing feasibility study is looking into transforming Goodison Park into the new home for the women's team, with results expected by next month. Everton's future looks bright, with new investments, smarter finances, and a fresh outlook, all part of TFG's plan to bring Everton to new heights.